Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install CashApp in Europe. So if you're sitting in any European country and you want to install CashApp on your iPhone device, then in this video, I will show you how you can download and install CashApp in Europe. So now let's get started how you can download. First of all, here you will have to open App Store on your iPhone device. Then first of all, here we try to download CashApp. Just simply search for CashApp. So here you can see that CashApp is not showing on my iPhone device on App Store. So how you can download and install CashApp in European country? So first of all, here you will have to open App Store on your iPhone device. Then after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you will have to tap on your Apple ID profile. Then after that, here you will have to tap on your Apple ID. After that, here you will need to wait for a few moments. Then here you will have to enter your Apple ID password. And then after entering the Apple ID password, you will have to tap on done. Then here you will have to again wait for a few seconds. So you will see this type of interface. Here you will have to tap on country or region. Then here tap on change country or region. After that, here you will have to scroll it below. So here you will have to select USA. Just simply tap on United States. After that, here you will have to again wait for a few seconds. So here you will see terms and conditions. You will have to read all these terms and conditions, and if you agree with these terms and conditions, you will have to tap on agree. After that, here first of all you will have to enter your payment method. If you don't want to enter payment method, you can select none. After that, below you will have to enter your billing address. You can also enter the billing address fake one if you don't want to show your billing address. Then after that, here you will have to select the state. I'm selecting here California. You can select anyone. After that, here you will have to enter the zip code of the state. If you don't know the zip code of the state, then you can Google it. Then after that, here you will have to enter the mobile phone number. Then after entering the mobile phone number, you will have to just tap on done. Then after that, tap on next. So here you will have to search in search bar now CashApp. Then tap on CashApp. Then here you can see that now CashApp is showing on my iPhone device on App Store. You will have to just simply download this app on your iPhone device in Europe. So this is the way through which you can download and install CashApp in any European country. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.